guys, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick tutorial on how to remove a door handle on a Jeep Wrangler JL 2018. There's not a lot of videos online on the Jeep JL. That's understandable. It's a brand new model. The company changed quite a bit of things on the car, so I'm sure this is going to help out somebody out there. Okay, so without further ado, you can see I already removed the one on the passenger side. Okay, so the difference between this and the JK, on the JK you had to remove the whole inner door panel and try to access two screws holding the door handle from the inside, and that was a pain. Anyways, the difference here, they made it way easier on this model. It's pretty close to a Hummer H3. So on the side here you're gonna see two sticker like covers right here, 1, 2. You're gonna uncover the top one. Inside this there's a Torx screw. You're just gonna loosen this up. Make sure you don't take it off completely. If you drop this screw inside the door panel, boy, you're in trouble. So just loosen it up. Don't take it out the whole way. As soon as you do that, this piece here, which is this part, okay, when you loosen that screw enough, this is gonna pop out. So just take it to the side. After you do that, you're gonna push out and backwards, out and backwards, and this, the other piece will just slide out without any cables, any connections, nothing. It's just as simple as that.